Love Black History Month. It's that time of the year where we can reflect on the journeys that so many people have taken over the last 40 years particularly, how they arrived in our country, in our great city, how they've settled, how they've contributed. And we can also reflect on the challenges that we have still to face to ensure that our city, that our country is a just city and is committed to equality of opportunity. And so I would say to young Black Londoners, spend the month finding out about the history of those Black pioneers, those heroines, those heroes. And I can tell you, you'll find somebody's life that will inspire you and somebody's journey that you can replicate. And just go for it.